Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you to get more FPS on mobile games. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings app on your phone. You want to go on the search bar and click on build number. Click on build number. And then you want to tap build number about 5 times until developer mode has been enabled. Once that is done, head back to settings, like so, scroll all the way down, and then developer options will be enabled on your phone. So click into that, and then you can either scroll down, find graphics driver, or search for graphics driver, but I'm going to search it, graphics driver, and then there it is there, click on graphics driver, and now you want to click on graphics driver, it's all the way down the bottom of your screen. Wait for it to load, and now here find that game that you want to get more FPS on. So I'm going to scroll down and find a game. Alright, I'm going to use Rise of Empires for this example. So I'm going to click into it and then simply click on the system's graphics driver, and there you go guys, that's how you get more FPS on your mobile game. So that's the end of this video guys, thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.